You will learn step by step how to add a custom domain on Payhip. Log into your domain provider and go to your DNS settings. This could be called DNS zone, such as Namecheap, Cloudflare, or manage DNS, such as GoDaddy. Look for the option to add a new record. Add a CNAME record. Record type, CNAME. Name or host. The subdomain part only, such as learn. Target, domains.payhip.com. TTL, leave as default or set to 1 hour. Proxy settings. Disable proxy or set to DNS, only if available, such as on Cloudflare. Then save the record. Log into your Payhip dashboard. Click on Store in the sidebar, then open the Domains tab. Click Connect Existing Domain. Enter your full subdomain, like learn.yourdomain.com, and click Connect. Payhip will now try to verify your domain. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see a success message, and your domain will show as verified. It may take a few minutes to several hours, up to 24, for DNS settings to fully update, depending on your domain provider. Once verified, your Payhip store will be live at your custom domain. You can now share your own branded link instead of the default Payhip URL.